Hello everyone, welcome back to another brand new video. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can sign out of YouTube from all your devices in one go. So it's a very simple process, just be with me. First of all, you need to have an Android phone. This process is also same for your iOS, and by opening your Android phone, go to YouTube app, and depending on the internet connection it will take some time to load the homepage of YouTube. So this is the homepage of my YouTube. In the right hand side corner you will see there is a U button. It's showing my picture. In case of your profile, it will show your picture. So click on U, and here in the top side you will see switch account, Google account, turn on incognito, and share channel. So we need to go to Google account. Click on Google account. Then it will take some time to load. Then you have home, personal info, data privacy, and security. Come to security. Click on security and see your account is protected. Yes, I want my account to be protected. And if you go down, you will see your devices where you are signed in. So I will click on manage all devices, and you will see that my devices is signed in 8 session on Android phone, and 2 session on Windows computer, and 1 session on Mac computer. Okay, and this is the devices that I have connected for the last 28 days, as it is written in the top. You are signed in on these devices or have been in the last 28 days. So if you find any of the devices unfamiliar to you, you can easily log out from these devices. Such as I didn't have any Mac computer, so I have signed out from this Mac. I will show you, like here, this is the process to sign out. So there is Google Chrome and there is Microsoft Edge. I don't want to log into my Microsoft Edge YouTube, so I will click on Microsoft Edge and Windows, and I will click on sign out. And done. So this is the process through which you can sign out. So there is 8 session and another 1 session in computer. If you find any of the following session unfamiliar to you, you can easily follow this process and sign out from your YouTube. So this is the process through which you can easily sign out YouTube from all the devices you are logged in. If you like the video, do subscribe to our channel, do like the video as well. If you find any kind of problem regarding this video, do let us know in the comment section. We'll get back to you very soon. Thank you.